Hi everyone, welcome back to Creative Cups Art, where drawing is easy, fun, and full of imagination. Today we are learning how to draw a cute puffer fish. So grab your paper, a pencil, a black marker, and your favorite colors. And let's get started. First, take your pencil and draw a nice oval shape. This will be the body of our pufferfish. Don't worry if your oval isn't perfect. Every drawing is unique, and that's what makes your artwork special. Now it's time to make our fish look nice and puffy. Draw little pointed spikes all around the edge of the oval. Leave tiny gaps between the spikes as you go. Now once you have finished drawing all the spikes, carefully connect each spike to the next one. As you trace around the body, you'll see the outline of your adorable pufferfish come to life. Great job! Now let's draw the tail fin at the back. Make it nice and rounded, almost like a little heart or a butterfly wing. Perfect! Next, draw a small pectoral fin on the side of the fish. This little fin helps the fish swim, balance, and change direction in the water. Now it's time to give our fish an adorable face. Draw two big round eyes. Now draw a small curved smile underneath the eyes. Look how happy our little pufferfish is. Add two little rosy cheeks on each side of the smile. Leave a tiny white circle inside each eye so they look shiny and bright after we color them. Our pufferfish is looking so sweet already. Now draw a few tiny spikes on the body. These little details make your pufferfish look even more interesting while keeping it cute. Awesome! Our drawing is almost finished. And now it's time for my favorite part, coloring. Color the top half of your pufferfish a bright sunny yellow. Leave the bottom half white. Color the tail fin and pectoral fin yellow too. Finally, color the cheeks with a soft pink or peach. Wow, our cute little pufferfish looks bright, cheerful, and ready to swim through the ocean. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing with me today. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to Creative Cubs Art, and tap the little bell icon so you never miss another fun drawing adventure. See you in the next one. Bye bye.